Hey everyone, today we're doing something super exciting. We're going to play Flappy Bird with our eyes. Yes, you heard that right. No keyboard, no mouse, just your eyes. But before we get into the fun, the quick note, if you have not watched our first setup video, make sure to watch it out. Just click the I button above. In that video, we covered how to install Python 3.9, how to set up VS Code, how to install essential Python libraries like OpenCV, MediaPipe and PyGame. If you already have, awesome. Let's jump right in. Here what we are building today, an eye-controlled Flappy Bird game. Instead of pressing keys, you blink your eyes to make the bird jump and fly through the channel. It's like giving your eyes superpowers. And yes, no extra hardware is needed, just your computer. And here's what you will need. A computer with Python 3.9 installed, VS Code, and the Python libraries that are OpenCV to capture your webcam video, MediaPipe to track your eyes movement, PyGame to run the Flappy Bird game, NumPy to help the math and random pipe placement. If you have not installed them yet, then open your command prompt or terminal and type pip install OpenCV-Python, pip install MediaPipe, pip install PyGame, pip install NumPy. Let's stay organized. On your computer, create a folder called eye_flappy. Open this folder in VS Code. Inside this, create a new Python file named eye_flappy.py. Download the Python code file from the link in the description below. Copy and paste it into this file. Here's how it works step by step. We import the required libraries. OpenCV CV2 captures webcam video. MediaPipe MP function tracks facial landmark and eye movements. NumPy NP helps with maths and random pipe placement. PyGame runs the Flappy Bird game. Sys and math system exit and distance calculation. Now we define configuration parameters. Year_threshold minimum eye aspect ratio to detect a blink. Win_width by win_height size of game window. Pipe_gap by pipe_width by pipe_velocity. These are controls pipe size and speed. Left_eye_idx and right_eye_idx. These are the landmark points of the eyes for MediaPipe. We create helper functions. Distance functions to calculate the distance between 2 points. Eye aspect ratio EAR function to calculate EAR using eye landmarks. When EAR less than threshold, eyes are considered closed. We define the bird object to represent the bird in the game. Has position, velocity, radius and alive status. Jump function to move the bird upwards where blinked. Move function to simulate gravity and falling motion. Draw function to draw the bird on the PyGame window. We define the pipe object to represent the pipes moving across the screen. Move function, pipe move from right to left. Collision detection to check if the bird hits a pipe. We initialize MediaPipe and webcam to detect facial landmark from the webcam. We detect blinks to control the bird. Average EAR from both eyes is used to detect blinks. Blink, bird jumps. Debug window, this is optional. Shows webcam with green lines around eyes. Helps visualize eye tracking. PyGame main loop handles events, bird movement, pipe spawning, collision detection and drawing. Score increases when passing pipes. Game over, press R to start. Game over and clean up. It releases webcam and closes all windows safely. Save the Python file and run it from VS Code or in your terminal. You will see two windows, a PyGame window with Flappy Bird running, a webcam debug window showing your face and eye tracking. Now just play. Blink your eyes, the bird jumps. Stay focused. Time your blinks to pass through the pipes. Crash. Press R to restart instantly. It's fun, challenging and completely hands-free. Special thanks to our awesome subscriber Kundu Somi and Atula Kulasinghe 1957 for requesting this project in the comments. This one is for you. And that's how we build a game controlled entirely by your eyes. No keyboard, no mouse, just pure computer vision magic. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to RoboArmy for more amazing DIY builds.
RoboArmy, one-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.